Another day of cloudy, grey skies, but it changes this weekend to wet and windy. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Friday, 17th of October, and Robert Rinder.
I've heard that we've had a band of rain moving in as we head through this weekend, and I can tell you the weather's not very complicated at the moment. You might need a calculator to figure out what's going on, though. I will make sure that my weather doesn't last too long. I don't want it to be past your bedtime, though. One ear and out the other.
Encourage her, don't encourage her.
Just go to the thing.
I'm lost.
But yes, as I said, you may have heard, a band of rain is moving through as we head through the next few days, finally changing our weather. It has been grey, it has been grim, and this is the sunshine totals we've seen so far this month. Halfway through October, we've just had 8 hours of sunshine in Northern Ireland. Put that into percentages, should be around about 50 halfway through, just 9% in Northern Ireland, around about a third for the rest of the UK. But that is about to change because high pressure that's been keeping it fine and settled is set to be pushed away by an area of low pressure moving in from the Atlantic, turning wet and windy. So we replace the cloudy grey leaden skies with wet and windy conditions. That happens through Saturday into Sunday. For today, it is cloudy, it's grey, it's drizzly and turning increasingly breezy from the west. So yet again, it is grey and grim skies greeting us. We see a few spells of sunshine for Scotland, West Wales. The cloud breaks up for a time for southern England with a few showers around, but again, disappointingly cool. Top temperatures 15 or 16, but this here behind me is the rain later this weekend.
The problem is I'm a bit stupid and a bit deaf. Otherwise, I'd have laughed heartily.
I know, you wouldn't have heard, Kate, it's fine.
Brilliant.
Good morning. We have had very cloudy skies so far this month, and if you're thinking, I want to see the numbers and how cloudy it's been, well, I can show you. These are how many hours of sunshine we've seen across the UK for England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland as well. Northern Ireland, you've only had 8 hours of sunshine so far this month. We're now halfway through. We should be around about 50% of our way through the month, 50% amount of sunshine. Most of the UK have had around about a third, but Northern Ireland just 9% of our sunshine. We've had grey, leaden skies because high pressure has been dominating, blocking weather fronts moving in, keeping this cloud close to the ground. But this weekend, it changes. Low pressure moves in. And yes, that means it pushes away the cloud, but it brings a very different type of weather. Cloudy, wet and windy, and in between, there'll be some sunshine. But for today, it is cloudy, grey, grim and drizzly yet again, turning breezy from the west, a precursor to that band of rain moving in. But first thing this morning, with the cloudy skies, it means it is yet again mild for most of us. Now, as we head through the day, like the last few, some subtle differences. Some chances of seeing some sunshine for sheltered western areas of Wales, southwest England, a few more breaks through central southern England compared to recent days, and some sunshine for the northwest of Scotland. But elsewhere, cloudy and grey and a disappointingly cool feel. But things change, so let's see how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. Looking across the north of the UK first of all. So Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England. Temperatures should be around about 15 degrees, so below average for the outlook. But we finally see a change in weather symbols. We have rain around. Grey skies for the next few days, but wet weather arrives on Sunday, and it stays unsettled and hit and miss as we head into next week. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, first off, looking at our temperature compared to where they should be. The temperature is really not the big talking point with our weather sitting around about a little below average, but it's the change in type, the increased chance of rainfall that's the big talking point. So for the next few days, it is grey and cloudy, a little drizzly at times, but like I said, weather fronts move in from Sunday onwards and the outlook unsettled will change next week.